I upgraded to Windows 10 recently on this desktop Dell computer that's about 6 years old. I was running Windows 7 Home Premium, and I just want to go over the main things you need to know about Windows 10, in my opinion. And I'm going to start with the main one. So over here on the right lower corner, click on the notification icon. I don't have any right now, but you can control this. You can get notifications through your email, or if you don't want to, you can go to settings and be selective on that. But I'm going to go to all settings right now. And I'm going to scroll down to the last one over here, Update and Security, and click on that. And of course, if you're going to upgrade to Windows 10, you always want to make sure that your updates are set to automatic, so they transition works out nicer if you got your computer up to date. But I'm going to click here on Recovery. And here's what I was talking about. If you're not pleased with Windows 10, you can always go back to the edition of Windows you had. I had Windows 7, so I have the option to go back to Windows 7. And this option is available for a month. It says the option is only available for a month after you upgrade to Windows 10. So if you upgraded from Windows 8, don't like Windows 10, you can go back to that. I got another computer that I got recently that I upgraded to Windows 10 also. And that came with Windows 8.1. So on that one, I'm given the option to go back to 8.1. But I'm pleased with Windows 10. And go over some of the things that I'm pleased with, that I like. I did enjoy Windows 7. I like their start menu. And I pretty much have it here. I kind of have it formatted the way I had it in Windows 7. So I have my main programs available here, most used programs. And then over here on the right, these apps, my PC, where I can go to my files. If you have several emails, the mail icon app is nice because you can organize all your emails there with the password already entered. So you can just go to one area and check all your different emails. I was using on my Windows 7, I was using Internet Explorer and Chrome, which worked out okay. This Windows 10 comes with Microsoft Edge, which I like. It's fairly fast, and it's easy to import your favorites. I've already imported my favorites from Internet Explorer, and here you have them. Okay, have a bunch of them. But it's a good browser, faster than the one I was using. And you can easily go from the desktop to the app section of Windows by just clicking on the Windows icon here at the bottom. And I do have my control panel here. I used to use it a lot in Windows 7, so I went ahead and put it up here for me. If you go to the All Apps down here, you have the rest of them in alphabetical order, so any new apps that you download will appear here, and you can right click on them and you have the option to pin it to the start, pin it to the taskbar, uninstall, run as administrator, open the file, and so forth. So I've already done that with the ones that I have. And this area here, you can make it smaller if you want. So notice if I put the arrow here and go over here, I can shrink it. Go back over here. And there you have it. And again, you have the option to resize these. I have most of them set to medium. except for one here. You can set it to large and organize it any way you want. And on this computer I do not have a touch screen, but it doesn't matter. I'm old school, so I really like to work with the mouse. And here, if I click on this task view, I get the option to add a desktop. So click over here on desktops, and then I can just click on this one, and then say PC. There you have it. Click on this one again. Let me open this one here. There you have it. Click on this one, and I'll click on the recycle bin. Didn't open it. Let's see. There you have it. So I'll get rid of this one. Click on this. Okay. Click the different ones, and I can just close them whenever you want to do. I don't really use this much. I use this feature that much, but it's there if you need it. The other thing that I like here is File Explorer here in the lower bottom. And Cortana, which I was going to get to, is trying to speak to me, but I accidentally clicked on the mic. But it's asking me if there's anything she can do for me, but not now. Let me do this again here. File Explorer. Quick access to all the files. And close it. And again, you can easily get to the desktop, to the app section, by just clicking on the Windows icon, clicking over here to the side, or clicking the Windows icon on your desktop in D. But it's fairly easy to go from one to the other. And of course, you do have the different stores you can go to get some music, some apps, or whatever you need. But the other feature that I wanted to point out also is Windows 10 does come with Cortana, your computer assistant, and she can remind you of appointments, give you the weather forecast for the next few days, general questions you want to ask. Let me just ask them, since it's very basic, see if she can answer this question for me. Who is the head coach of the San Antonio Spurs?
Greg Popovich.
Okay, she got it. Well, again, if you don't like Windows 10, you can always go back to the previous edition of Windows, whichever you were using. We'll see you in the next video.